Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Telegram OTP SMS not receive problem solved. Telegram has seen an influx of new users over the last few weeks. While that's happening, many users often struggle to get through the sign-up process because they never receive the code on time. Some users couldn't receive the code required to verify the account before you could use Telegram. You can solve this problem very easily. Watch the full video. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click App Management. Find Telegram app. Click Telegram app. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Cache. Click Manage Space. Click Clear Telegram Cache. Click Clear Cache. Click Force Stop. Open Google Play Store. Click Search Bar, then type Telegram. Click Telegram. If you get any update, please update. Then turn on aeroplane mode. Then turn off aeroplane mode. Open Telegram app. Click Start Messaging. Then select your country. Type your phone number. Click Next button. Select Yes. If the SIM card is installed in your phone, the OTP code will be taken automatically. As you can see, my problem is solved. If someone's problem is not solved, then definitely comment. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. Thanks for watching.